Bismillah ar-Rahman viewers, it is a great success of production of electricity from Tharkol after a long time. Initially, 330 megawatt of electricity has been added to the national grid, which will be increased by next month, and proper exploration of Tharkol reserve will reduce dependence on imported fuels, which can help the country save almost $6 billion annually. Success of the result of Thar has caught the attention of local and foreign investors, and it may result in heavy investment as 175 billion tons of coal can change the fate of Pakistan. Thar coal can end dependence on imported fossil fuel, help the country earn handsome foreign exchange, and boost GDP by 4%. And the power demand continues to increase, while load shedding is not only compromising growth but also making difficult life of the masses.
Subscribe my channel Business Times News for latest political national international news. Don't forget to subscribe Business Times News.